GORVIA products, more than it shows.
Dear friends, let's dress up our garden together after. It rains and the sky clears today. First we have a white and a pink rose. Let's add some different colors to them. Before use, please shake it for about 60 seconds, so that the material liquid is fully mixed, and the color will be more uniform. Directly spray on the surface of the flower material. Then we take out more roses of different colors. Spray in the same way. The color used is a Galpanis blue, just like the color of the sky that has just been washed by heavy rain, isn't it? Finally, let's take a look at the results. Wow, this looks really good. Even a bit like Alice in Wonderland. I think I might be intoxicated. Remember not to wake me up. Oh, by the way, don't forget to buy the same flower spray paint in the video from GORVIA.